In this video, I will show you how to connect Google Ads to Google Sheets. To do this, simply go and open up Google Ads, and then what you want to do is head over into Tools right there and click Data Manager. Then here scroll down and you will find Featured Products. Now here we're just going to click on Google Sheets, and then you have two options. You can do a direct connection or a third-party integration by Zapier. I'll just do a direct connection. Then we'll ask, what do you want to use your data for? Conversions or audiences, so you can create conversion actions from your data source or create audience segments from your data source. I'll say audiences. Then from there, you need to tick this box that says this data was collected and is being shared with Google in compliance with Google's customer match policies. And then from there, click continue. Now here you can then set up the connections. So now you can see Google Sheets, so click next. Then from there, just select the Google account you want to connect and then continue. Then they will ask for what data type you want to use, so you can do emails, phone numbers, and or mail addresses. You can do user IDs or device IDs. I'll do the first one. And then here you can pick a file from your Google Drive, so you can then just click on Browse. Now personally, I don't have any spreadsheets in my Google Drive, but from there you can then select it and map the fields, then review it, and then you will have connected it. So now you know how to connect Google Sheets to Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.